So first I'm going to start with this Renee Bollywood filter, and I'm going to warm it between my fingers, and I'm going to apply it on my face so that my pores get filled and I get a clear base ready for the makeup. So I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty highlighting primer, and with help of this I'm going to get that dewy base finish. You can definitely see that how much glow it is adding to my skin right now. Now comes the foundation. I'm going to use this 9 to 5 Lakme foundation, and I'm going to apply it like this on all over my face and neck area. Never forget to apply foundation on your neck area, that's also a part of your makeup. Then I'm just going to conceal some of my dark spots, that is under my eyes, over the eyelids and area near my mouth. And this is the concealer that I'm using from Maybelline Fit Me range. I'm blending this concealer with help of my fingertips because sometimes I feel that it is really easy and it blends more well when you use your fingers instead of any brush or sponge. Now I'm going to use this damp beauty sponge, and I'm just going to dab it all over my face to get rid of excess product so that my makeup will not look cakey at all. For eyes, I'm going to start with this liquid eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this brown shade, and this eyeshadow is from Show Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to blend this eyeshadow with help of a brush like so, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids like this. The same eyeshadow shade, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line, and I'm going to blend it like this. Now I'm going to take a little dark brown shade from this Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it only at the outer V of my eyelids. And I'm blending that color with the previous shade seamlessly so that it looks all together. And now I'm using this beautiful golden shimmer shade from the same eyeshadow palette, and I have applied this color from inner corner to the center of my eyelids like this with help of my fingertips so that I get a good pigmented shade all over my eyelids. And as you can see, this have added so much to this look. To complete this look, I'm going to apply this kajal on my lower waterline, and also I'm going to apply this below the waterline, that is on the lash line, to get a nice smudgy and smoky effect like so. And I'm blending it with this help of pencil brush, completing the eye look with help of this mascara. And I'm applying this mascara only on the upper lashes because I don't feel there is any need to apply mascara on lower lashes. And this is the last part in the face makeup which was remaining, that is to apply blush. I'm applying this blush in upward direction like so. Then at the end, I'm going to apply this lipstick. I'm using this brown shade from Show Cosmetics as a lip liner, and on top of it I'm going to use this beautiful red shade from Sugar Pop. All the shades will be mentioned in description box below with the links to check that out. And this is done, and I think it looks really beautiful combo. Over here I have sprayed just some makeup fixing spray, and that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video, and I hope you have found this video really simple, easy and helpful. And I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.